Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5070311. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. This process will take some time, and in my case it's already done. Once the first scan is complete, you can copy the second command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, then go to Windows Update. In Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update. Click on pause over here, and once the pause is done, now resume the updates and then you can check. If you see retry option, hit retry. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box. Click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click once again, type make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now you can update your Windows and then you can check. If you see retry option, hit retry. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311. Click on search. Let me change it to English. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WINVER and check your Windows version. So in my case, it's version 25H2. So check your version, then go to Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, scroll down about, and then check the system type. System type is x64 based processor in my case. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now, click on download and then click on KB5070311 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can just follow the on-screen instruction and you can just install this update manually and then restart your computer after this. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, if you go to update history, you will see repair version of 25H2 or 24H2. And once that is done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now over here and then run this exe file. Run this exe file, click on it, and then you have to click on accept over here. And now by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option. Let it close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Now go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install. After the installation, this process will take some time. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.